These are the Ray Neo Air 2S, and you'll probably never see Samsung DeX quite this stylish. Let's go. The thing I love about Samsung DeX is the ability for it to be portable. Pick it up because it's on your phone and take it anywhere and plug it into any monitor that you've got around you, whether they be your own or in a hotel room. But the Ray Neos take advantage of that portability more than any other product that I've tried. Before we get into the Samsung DeX experience and how to get DeX working on here, let's introduce the glasses. For me, before we even do that, the packaging that these come in is better than any pair of sunglasses that I've ever purchased myself. And technically, they're not really sunglasses. They're like more than that. So I guess the packaging makes sense. But I just love how everything's sort of neat and compact and everything sort of has its place. It's really satisfying. First thing that strikes you about these when you sort of grab them is their weight. They're only 78 grams. So wearing them on your face doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel cumbersome. They're light and they're comfortable. I'll talk a little bit about sort of the longer term sessions wearing these a little bit later on, but 78 grams, already a good start. The glasses themselves are packed full of specs. The displays in here, and I said displays because technically I guess there's two in there, they're micro OLED displays. Their size is technically 0.55 inches, but they actually appear on your face as 201 inches set about 6 meters away from you. OLED part that I mentioned gives you deep blacks and incredible contrast, makes the colors and everything look really, really nice when you've got them on. It has an up to 120 hertz refresh rate, and you can choose in the settings between 60 and 120. A little side note for DeX is that DeX won't work at 120, only works at 60. But the other thing that I got, the little Android TV stick, works with 120 hertz, and you can toggle that in the settings. It goes really bright for what these are, up to 600 nits of brightness, and it encloses you in. So because you've not really got light sort of infiltrating too much, that 600 nits is enough. And if it's too bright, you've got 10 steps of brightness that you can sort of control using the touch controls that are on here. It has what they're calling Ray Neo sound, and what they've also told me is that the sound on these has been improved from the original Ray Neo Airs. So let's have a look at the difference. Take a listen.
Your body's just like toys. Your body's just like toys.
This also has a little bit of software built in, like a menu where you can control, like I said, the refresh rate, but also go in and choose different color profiles. So if the color standard that comes naturally, you can sort of change it and adjust to suit your style and needs. Now, the first thing I wanted to do was try Samsung DeX. So to use this for Samsung DeX, it's very simple. Because Samsung DeX is so portable, like I said, you don't need much to sort of get it working. The carry case is already incredibly sort of portable and really comfortable to carry around in like a bag. And then of course these are sunglasses. So whilst, you know, you can put them on and you've got a pair of sunglasses on your face, but also a screen there. To set it all up with DeX, all you need is the cable, because the phone will power the DeX experience, no problem. For me, you don't need to have this, but a keyboard is quite, I think, essential for this setup. But you don't need a mouse, because the phone screen can actually act as a mouse and you can navigate on the screen using it. I find it's really a good way of sort of working on the go without needing to take bulky displays with you. And also for entertainment too. Like if you're traveling, which I am not doing today, I'm on the Gold Coast at a conference, this can also really help with watching content. But there's another way you can do that. You don't necessarily need to use Samsung DeX. The other thing that I got sent was this little Android TV box. It's not really a box. It's almost like a remote with a big massive battery inside it. This is insanely cool. It has a 6,500 milliamp hour battery packed inside of here, and that battery can give you up to 5.5 hours of watch time. But it's a full smart TV packed inside of here, and it's portable. It's got 3 gigabytes of RAM plus 64 gigabytes of internal storage and a micro SD card slot. So you can load your own content on here to watch if you ever wanted to. So for entertainment, you don't necessarily need to just rely on your phone. You can use this instead, and with full controls on here and the smart TV menus that you can interact with, you just need this and that's it. It's a stylish bit of kit, and it gives you extra functionality out of the glasses more than just productivity. entertainment as well. This thing gets attention. I was using it at a conference just recently, and the amount of attention I got just from sitting there with a keyboard, a mouse, and looking at nothing with the glasses on meant that people were interested. And a couple people came over and wanted to see what they're about, and their reaction was one of amazement. Take a look.
Oh, wow.
So that's my phone projecting up
That's incredible.
on the screen there. So there's, you probably see a little mouse moving around a little bit as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. The other part about these that was really enjoyable from all the different styles and ways that I used them was that they remained like open. You weren't shut off to the environment around you. They were also incredibly comfortable to wear for longer periods of time. Oh, these are super comfortable. To wear these for longer periods of time, there's no strain. And I think part of that too is the fact that they're quite open. Like I can still sort of see my surroundings that I've got. And there is some brightness toggles as well, which kind of help to, oh, that's really bright. Really bright. You weren't sort of adjusting or feeling the need to take them off or making you feel hot. They just sat there, and like I said, they're really light. So for long sessions of whether you're working on scripts, whether you're entertaining yourself, they don't feel heavy and cumbersome to wear on your head. And when you're done, they have an incredibly compact carry case that you can just load everything into, zip it up, and it fits in your bag really nicely. Pack down process, super simple. Simply take the glasses off, unplug, back in the case. Done. I think these offer something very unique in the landscape of head-mounted displays. Pretty stylish, definitely look different, and offer exceptional quality for the display that you're looking at. You can choose to bring with you a portable display and set something up on a desk like you would maybe have here at home, or choose these things and take something different with you, take something a bit more minimal and work in a different way without the need for lots of different stuff. I sometimes get skeptical about products like this, but then I use them and I can see their value straight away. These are a definite stay in my bag from now on because they just offer that different way to use DeX, and they take up no space in my bag. Thanks to Rayneo for sponsoring this video. Black Friday is coming, so check out the links in your description. Christmas is coming as well. This could be a great gift for someone. So check out the link in the description if you're wanting to grab one for you or for someone else. Hit subscribe to Tech with Benefits. Go check out my other videos about Samsung DeX. There's a lot of them, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You.